obviously, we're going out crabbing again because...
Obviously.
Whoa! Look at that! Captain Rachel, that's good. She's on the fourth over. Well, obviously, we're going out crabbing again because...
Obviously.
Because she wants to go crabbing. And we're just bringing the traps out today because there's one thing I can tell you, and it has proven its theory time and time again, that when you got 15-mile-an-hour winds and 20-mile-an-hour winds, and you're going to try to run a trout line, and you have a boat, you don't bring the wife, because it don't mix. So we're going to do trash because it's blowing pretty good. And the tide's low, like pretty much dead right now. So I'm not really in no rush to get out there. We'll go take our time, get out there and set. Hopefully by the time we set, the tide will start coming in. I like incoming tide when I'm crabbing. I don't even have it in gear. Yeah.
Here we go.
I don't get disappointed.
Here we go. I knew it was going to do this.
You might have to come back.
Well, okay.
Shh.
Number one.
You have to come the other way.
Yeah. We can. If you like. It might be easier on us.
Tide's gonna be coming in. Tide's coming in. All right, let's take a ride down the other way. It'll be easier. It'll be easier.
Oh, we got one off the first one. That's promising, right?
So the tide's coming in this way right now, and we just grabbed the buoy. So the buoy's going to be here. The trap's going to be here. So if you're pulling it, it's going to come all the way up there. It's going to be so hard to pull up. So we're going to come the other way. So the buoy's here. As she picks it up, it'll be a lot easier to pull up the. You'll see it'll be the first one we just pulled up. You see how she was struggling to pull it up because of where the trap and the buoy was. So we're going to switch. We're going to come the other way. That way, when she grabs the buoy, it'll be easy as anything just to pull it up. We'll be running like that. Did you learn something? Well, it's a little wavy out here. We came out of the cove because we weren't catching that many crabs. It's kind of a spot that we like. We're gonna stick it out here. We're gonna go a little shallower. Tide's coming in, and we're gonna catch darn crabs, as my neighbor would say, crabs. what I can tell you is, we picked up a trap that had a turtle on it, and when I did, jellyfish was out, and a big long string came up and wrapped around my neck, man. And I got stung right here around my neck and underneath my arm. My wife didn't have to pee, or I maybe let her pee on me or something. Well, another crabbing trip. We went out, it was really windy out. I decided there was no way I was bringing a trout line today, that I was just going to, we were going to bring traps, just catch them, just to go out and catch. We went to a spot that we really liked that we haven't been to in a while. So we went down inside a creek to stay out of the wind a little bit. And we did about 5 runs and I don't know, maybe 6 crabs. Wasn't looking good. So I said, man, hell with this. We're going to go out and we're going to go to out in the channel. I mean, out around a corner and go into the wind, and it wasn't as windy as you think. I mean, the last time we were here and it was windy, it was like 25-30 mile an hour winds, and we were seeing 2-3 foot waves. We wouldn't have came out today, but we had a good time. We had a beautiful time together, me and the woman. We love spending time together, and this is our favorite summertime thing to do. Well, her together, that's our favorite summertime to do, is get crabs and get them and pick them and have just a blast. We love doing this together. That's our thing. Every couple has their thing they like doing. Whether it's you guys going out on a Sunday like today, or a Saturday, sunny, beautiful, get on your motorcycle and just go riding and hanging out, or who knows. We have a blast doing this every year. Even though I wanted to go fishing in the morning, I don't think I'm getting up. I've been up since 2 a.m. and my buddy wants to take me out on a kayak. I want to do a kayak and fishing trip. I want to get in some spots that I can't get with my boat. My friend's going to let me borrow his kayak, a Jackson kayak he has. He just bought a new one. He's got one just sitting there. He said, just come and get it, and we'll go out. So we were going to do some snakehead fishing in the kayaks tomorrow morning, but I think I'm going to sit in. I got a lot of editing to do, and I got some stuff that I want to work on, and that way, I don't know, just take the Sunday off and relax. I think it might be cloudy, maybe rain tomorrow. So that might be a good day to maybe sit in. My buddies are giving me a hard time because deer season started, and I won't lie to you, I haven't done anything. I haven't even washed the clothes yet. I don't know, 90 degrees, it's been 90 degrees. Today was pretty chilly, but at 90 degrees, I'm sorry, man. I just don't feel like hunting to me when it's 90 degrees out. Okay, people. Metalhead. Rock on.